You can let Cindy know that we're getting some of those 40-knot gusts through Lynn here. The winds are whipping, the rain is still soaking, but a little bit of good news is that the tide is actually on its way out right now, and it should be low just before 3 o'clock this afternoon.
There's just something about nature's fury that draws people to bear witness to it.
Outstanding.
Patty McCauley tracks storms and documents its effects.
My kind of world. I follow them.
Others are literally moved by the excitement of it all.
I walked all the way from Swampscott to the second MDC and back.
My follow-up question is why?
Because I wanted to enjoy the beauty and take a bunch of pictures.
High tide came in just around 8:30 this morning, and as you can see, there's not much shore left here along Lynn Shore Drive.
It was less than a perfect situation for those living near the Nirvana Drive section of Swampscott. Storm surge cutting off electricity to some. National Grid crews were called in to rip up the sidewalk in order to access power lines.
It's all old cable over here. It's a power outage, a number of factors.
Including the storm?
Yep.
Despite the disruption, being able to take in images like these just outside your front door, well, some say it's worth every bit of it.
I love to see a fierce water, a mad water, what do you want to call it, an angry ocean.